This is so cute. Isn't it so cute?
Aki lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Nanajoe. This series is where someone gets to come and cook with Nanajoe. We're gonna make my most requested lunchbox meal, which is the spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. For my first guest, we're gonna have someone who loves cooking, loves spicy chicken sandwiches, also has an iconic spiky yellow hair. Some of you guys may know him, some of you guys may not. Welcome my nephew, Julian. What's your name?
Julian.
Julian, you like Chick-fil-A?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna show him how to make Chick-fil-A because he loves Chick-fil-A, and ours happens to be like about an hour away. So we're gonna get to it. Yes. We're gonna make the marinade for our chicken breast. So go on ahead and grab some buttermilk and put it into our bowl. Pickle juice, 2 eggs. Wow. And then we're going to mix, and we're going to marinate this in the fridge overnight if you can. If not, 4 hours will be just fine. Dang, Julian. Now we're going to make the coating for our chicken. 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and then our spices. We're going to list all the spices on the description and on the screen for you guys. Remember, we don't like no bland chicken, huh, Julian? Now we're going to whisk everything up. Good job, Julian. I heard you have a nice joke of Chick-fil-A.
What do you call? Why did the makers had to say that it was gonna make Chick-fil-A?
I don't know.
Because it's made with chickens.
Wow. Who taught you that one? That was hilarious.
I just saw it, and then I saw that, and then I said, why do the builders make Chick-fil-A? Because it's made out of chicken.
I agree. So I already have some pre-marinated chicken here, and we are going to drench it. Or not drench it, I mean coat it. We're going to coat it with our flour, cornstarch, and our seasonings. Make sure everything is nice and coated. If you have to go and press really hard, then you do that. We want to make sure that the chicken gets no so crispy. And then we're going to put it to the side. You want to try doing one, Julian?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in here for you, okay? Get to it.
Like.
Yeah, go like this. Like. Good job, Julian.
It's like sand.
Now press. Press. Now grab it and flip. And do the same. And press. Good job. Now we're gonna shake the excess. Ooh. Shake the excess. Shake the excess. No. I'm not as good at saying jokes as Julian is. I love your hair. We're gonna let the chicken sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make Julian's favorite sauce, which is the Chick-fil-A sauce. Mm-hmm. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna add 1 cup of mayo. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon of honey. Squeeze of mustard. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice, not lime. This is the only time I'm going to tell you guys lemon juice. Now we're going to whisk. Good job, Julian. Do you know what the Chick-fil-A sauce tastes like?
No.
No?
Well, I know.
Only with your chicken nuggets?
Yeah, it tastes like so good.
Like what?
It tastes so good.
Now we're going to whisk everything together, and we have our sauce. Let's try it. Try it. You need a chicken nugget, huh? In order to make sure that it tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce?
Love it.
Huh?
Love it.
You love it?
It tastes like barbecue, but more like tastes like barbecue.
Oh yeah? Okay. We need chicken, huh? Alright, let's fry up our chicken. Now we're going to deep fry our chicken at 350 degrees until it gets nice and crispy, or the internal temperature is 165 degrees. Want to drop the basket, Julian?
What?
Drop it. Slowly. Internal temperature is 165, so that means that our chicken is now ready. We're gonna let it rest, and while it's resting, we're gonna add some pepper jack cheese on top so it can get nice and melted. And in the meantime, Julian and I are gonna finish frying up the rest of the chicken. Now we're gonna butter up our buns on the flat top. Here you go, Julian. Place them like that down. We got some big papa ones, and then we got some medium ones, and then these little tiny ones for Joseph. Get into it. Get into it. Once your buns get nice and crispy, we are going to remove them. So now that we have all of our chicken ready and our buns are all nice and toasted, we are going to begin the best part, which is assembling. Should I do my version of assembling first and then you can do yours? Yeah? Okay, cool. So we're gonna do a big papa one.
I'm gonna add lots of sauce on both of our buns, and then we're gonna add some lettuce, tomatoes, of course, our nice and crispy chicken patty, lots of pickles, and then I top it off with my top bun. And then this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna split it in half. That way you guys can see what the inside of the sandwich looks like, and you can see how nice and juicy it is. Wow.
There you have it, guys, our nice and crispy, spicy chicken sandwich. Now we're gonna wrap them up. Thank you, Julian. What would I do without you? We're gonna do Julian's version. Julian's gonna get a smaller bun, huh, Julian? Good job, Julian. Make sure it gets nice and saucy. Okay, now we're gonna add a slice of chicken. This is gonna be Julian's. Wow. Top it off with your top bun. Want to show it to them? Wow. This one's Joseph's, guys. His bun's got a little too crispy, but it's okay. He's not gonna know. We're gonna surprise him with a little mini burger. We're gonna add a little tiny piece of lettuce. Some pickles for Joseph. He loves pickles. And then this little tiny piece of chicken. His top bun. This is so cute. Isn't it so cute? And there you have it, guys. This is how we made our spicy, crispy chicken sandwiches. Can you say bye? Be like, bye. Oh, he's gone. He's ready to eat. Did good? Yay, high five.